Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about gradient of a scalar function from vector calculus. The vector differential operator is denoted by the symbol del or nabla, and it is defined by del is equal to I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. Gradient. If pi of x comma y comma z is a scalar point function continuously differentiable in a given region, then the gradient of pi is defined by del pi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. Del pi is nothing but grade pi. Next one, properties of gradient. Grade pi plus or minus psi is equal to grade pi plus or minus grade psi. Second one, grade pi into psi is equal to pi grade psi plus psi grade pi. Del is a differential operator. Here we are using the product rule. Third property, grade pi divided by psi is equal to psi into del pi minus pi into del psi divided by psi square. Denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square. Division rule is applied here. Fourth property, del into c pi is equal to c into del pi. C is a constant. Del pi is a vector quantity. I will explain gradient through some examples. If pi is equal to 5x squared minus 2y cubed z squared. Find grade pi at the point 1 minus 2 comma 1. Grade pi is nothing but del pi. That is I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. You have to differentiate pi with respect to x first. Dou phi by dou x is 5 into differentiation of x square is 2x minus 2 into y and z are constant terms, so 0. So dou phi by dou x is 10x. Next we have to differentiate with respect to y. First term is x square term, so 0. When we differentiate with respect to y, other than y term we treat it as a constant term. Derivative of the constant term is 0. So first term is 0 minus 2 into differentiation of y cube is nothing but 3y square into z square. So the value is minus 6y square z square. Next we have to differentiate with respect to z. Other than z term, we treat it as a constant term and we know that derivative of the constant term is 0. First term is x term, so 0 minus 2 into y cube. Derivative of z square is 2z. So the value is minus 4y cube z. Now substitute dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z in grade pi. That is I vector dou phi by dou x is 10x plus j vector dou phi by dou y is minus 6y square z square plus k vector dou phi by dou z is minus 4y cube z. We want to find grade pi at the point 1, minus 2 and minus 1. That is grade pi is equal to I vector 10 into x value is 1 plus j vector minus 6, y value is minus 2 square, z value is minus 1 square plus k vector minus 4 into y value is minus 2 cube, z value is minus 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to minus 1. That is grade pi is equal to 10i vector minus 24j vector plus 32k vector. Let me repeat. The question is pi is equal to 5x square minus 2y cube z square. We have to find grade pi at the point 1, minus 2 and minus 1. So first you have to write del pi and you have to differentiate pi partially with respect to x, y and z. Then you have to find grade pi at the given point. For a clear understanding, I will explain one more problem. If pi is equal to x cube plus 2y square x plus z square y, find del y at the point 2, 3, 1. Del pi is nothing but I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. First you have to differentiate pi partially with respect to x, y and z. Dou phi by dou x is equal to, differentiate pi partially with respect to x. Other than x term is a constant term. So if you differentiate x cube, you will get 3x square plus 2 into y square. 2 and y is a constant term, so you write as it is. Differentiation of x square is 1 plus z square and y square is a constant term, so 0. So dou phi by dou x is 3x square plus 2y square. Next we have to differentiate pi partially with respect to y. First term is x term, so 0. Second term is 2 into differentiation of y square is 2y into x plus z square, differentiation of y is 1. So the value is 4xy plus z square. Next we have to differentiate with respect to z. First term is x term, so 0. Second term is x and y term, 0. Third term is z and y term. Differentiation of z square is 2z. Y is a constant term, so you write it as it is. So dou phi by dou z is 2zy. Now substitute dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z in del pi. Del pi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x is 3x square plus 2y square plus j vector dou phi by dou y is 4xy plus z square plus k vector dou phi by dou z is 2zy. Next we have to find del pi at 2, 3, 1. Substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 1. Del pi is equal to I vector 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus j vector 4 into x value 2, y value 3 plus z value is 1 square plus k vector 2, z value is 1 and y value is 3. Substitute x, y, z values in del pi, that is I vector 3 into 4, 12 plus 2 into 9 is 18 plus j vector 8 into 3 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 plus k vector 6. So the answer is 30 I vector plus 25 j vector plus 6 k vector. Del pi is equal to 30 I vector plus 25 j vector plus 6 k vector. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.